Are you a first-time author who is not sure where to start with your marketing? Or maybe your book's been out for a while and you're not seeing the sales you need? Well, I want to introduce you to my Profitable Publishing Guide. This guide will help you use efficient and strategic methods to be able to sell more copies of your book with less time and less work. My name is Ashley, and I am the owner of Shep Publishing House, where we help new and first-time authors get from the page to the people to publish profitably. So let's dig in. Now, this guide is going to be sent to you in a format where I'll be able to make continuous updates. And the topics for the guide come from my authors who work with me or questions that I get throughout my time working with different potential clients. And so I've compiled all of those into a guide to make it easier for you to find what you're looking for. So the video that I'm recording now is going to be linked here in case you need to look at it again, but let's dig into what's actually in here. So I like choose your own adventure options. And so that means you can either go through the guide, click, 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 search like you would a normal book, or you can pick from my menu. So a few things to note is on each of the pages, you'll see a house, and that will bring you back to this page, to the start section. Or if there's a little arrow like this, that means that there will be something where you are going to want to go to the next page. That means that topic has 2 pages or more of material. So let's keep going. Let's dig in. All right, so then it's split up into 3 sections. We have publishing, selling, and launching. So depending upon what you're looking for, if you just want to get quickly to the topic of your choice, then you can click on these and they will take you to each of those different pages. So this one I clicked on is having a launch party. And so these are going to be some tips and guides for you to see what you should include in your launch party, whether it's virtual or in person. And then you'll also find some examples. Oops, clicked too quickly. You'll find some examples of my launch parties personally. And so I have my New Mom Thoughts launch party in here. I have my Daniel Fast 21-Day Food and Faith Journal launch party. And you will get different tips, ideas, and links throughout this book. And so I'm going to go back just a page and head back to the home button to show you a different option. And then what you're going to do next is check out, let's see, maybe I want to show you how to upload your book to Amazon, because for a lot of authors, that's a great option for them if they're just getting started, or if you want to wake up to what I like to call sleeper sales. And those are sales where you haven't had to do much beyond upload your book to be able to make money. And so each of the pages throughout the book, and I'll just kind of click through and talk to you about it. If there is a video that's relevant to the topic, I've inserted it here for ease of reference. You just go ahead and click it and it will play. And then I also have pages where I just need to give you some information. There's some topics that there's not necessarily a how-to guide for it, but it's something to help you make a strategic decision. And so, for example, before this section of uploading your book, I have a section sharing whether or not you should upload to your website or to Amazon or Ingram Spark. This next section is about book stats and ordering author copies. And so this is something that you will definitely want to know how to do based upon your different timeline or your different platforms that you're uploading to. And so the first video is showing how to track those sales in Amazon. Then we talk about when you're going to get paid. I know this is something authors always want to know. When am I going to get paid? And so I've included a chart of the royalty schedule, which means, for example, if your book was sold in January, you will get paid in March. Now, your first month as an author, first couple months, because you're not going to get that check the first couple months, it might seem like a long stretch. But if you follow these different marketing strategies in this book, then you'll be able to get paid on a consistent basis. And so same thing, how to track your sales in Ingram Spark. I have a walkthrough video that shows you how to do that. Now, I want to go back to the homepage and show you how to check selling tactics. So if you're an author who's like, I really just want to increase my sales, I want to make it so that I can wake up to sleeper sales that I didn't have to do a ton of work for, you want to head to the selling page. And so I've also included a few sections about how to do live videos, because those are going to be the things that give you the most traction and the most reach. You know, the algorithm is always changing. And so these are tips to help you with that and things to look out for. And then what to do after you post your videos so that you can make sure that you're optimizing that. Book unboxing videos, those are going to be added in. And so if you do see coming soon, it means that I'm updating that page. And so that's one of the benefits of this guide, is that it continuously has updates so that you're able to get those different nuggets as they come. And so if you are a publishing client of mine, you already get a copy of this ebook, this e-guide. If you are not a publishing client of mine and you would like to purchase this book, you can check out the link in the description. And it's currently, at the time of this recording, up to 50 pages. And so it's going to continuously be growing. And it's something that will definitely help you to be able to market your book and sell to clients without a lot of extra effort. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'd be happy to answer them.